This is how to block a phone to use your Wi-Fi. Open your Chrome. You can open new tab. Type this IP 192.168.0.1 in your URL bar, address bar. Go on that. You must connect it to your Wi-Fi while doing this. The password is admin non-login. Go to advanced option, then go to security, then go to access control. Here you can see the logged in devices that are using your Wi-Fi. Now you can block any one of them. Here Redmi 5A is mom's phone, so check this checkbox and click on block. Now you will see that Redmi 5A is added in blacklist, and for removing this from blacklist, just click on the delete icon. That's all.